Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on order of operations. When we are given numerical calculations involving two or more operations, including brackets, it is very important to perform these calculations in a specific order. In simple terms, the order is as follows. Number 1. Perform any operations inside the brackets first. Number 2. Perform multiplication and division from left to right. And number 3. Perform addition and subtraction from left to right. The following word helps us to remember the correct order. So this is a very famous word, BODMAS, and it stands for brackets of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. It basically tells you the order of the operations, remembering that anything in the brackets has to be done first. Let's have a look at some examples on the next slide to see how this works. Perform each of the following calculations in the correct order. Now remember, BODMAS is our guide. The first one is 4 plus 3 times 2. There are no brackets, there's no division, so we do the multiplication next. 3 2s are 6. 4 plus 6 is 10. We do not do the addition first because the addition is here after multiplication. Number 2, 9 minus 3 times 2. Multiplication comes first. 3 2s are 6. 9 take away 6 is 3. We do not do the subtraction first because the subtraction comes after the multiplication. Number 3, 40 divided by 4 minus 2. We have to do division first because division comes before subtraction. So 40 divided by 4 is 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. Number 4, 30 minus 12 divided by 6. We have to do division first. 12 divided by 6 is 2. 30 minus 2 is 28. Number 5. Here is the first example where we've had brackets. It doesn't matter what the operations are, even though in the normal course of events multiplication would come before subtraction. Because we have something in the brackets, we do that first. 6 take away 2 is 4. 7 4s are 28. Number 6. Here we have 3 sets of brackets, so we have to do those first. 12 minus 4 is 8. There's the multiplication. 3 plus 2 is 5. There's the division. 15 take away 5 is 10. There's the division. Now we work from left to right because we only have multiplication and division. 8 5s are 40. 40 divided by 10 is 4. Number 7. Notice here we have brackets. We do that first. But inside the brackets we have to do the division first because division comes before subtraction. 10 divided by 5 is 2. We're still inside the brackets. 20 take away 2 is 18. 80 take away 18 is 62. Number 8. Here we have 2 sets of brackets, so we start with the innermost brackets first, the ones that are on the inside. Okay? So basically we have 40 divided by 5. That gives us 8. That's the 8. Times 2, there's the 2. Everything else is the same. We stay inside the brackets. 8 2s are 16. That gives us a 16 here, and that's the plus 3. So we've got rid of those innermost brackets, but we still have these ones. 16 plus 3 is 19. Now all we have is addition and subtraction, so we work from left to right. 12 plus 19 is 31. 31 take away 4 is 27. And finally, here we have division and multiplication, so we just work from left to right. 60 divided by 2 is 30, so there's our 30. 30 times 4, there's the 4. 30 times 4 is 120. Now we're up to this part. 120 divided by 6 is 20. 20 times 3 is 60. So this video has introduced us to the very important topic of order of operations, and we've seen how the very important word BODMAS gives us a clue as to what operations to do first when we have more than one operation and we also have brackets.